What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently heading over to Nippon Power right now because I need to pick up this 45-degree angle for my intake bracket, and then I'm going to JF Custom Metal and we're gonna weld this onto there so I can attach my MAF sensor, because if you don't know, I broke my intake. So I was just pulling it off and I noticed that the plastic under was broken, and I didn't want to just order a new one. I wanted to do something custom, so that's why I'm going to JF Custom Fab and we're gonna get it thrown on, and we should be there in a few. Just gonna cold start the car right now. Haven't drove in like 5 days, so it should be a loud one. Just roll the window down. Letting her warm up and we're gonna be hitting the road. Just normal shit, a car just spun out in Miami Beach on the highway. Nothing new out here. So we just got to Nippon Power. We got Richard's Blabba right there. It has a crazy front turbo fog light freaking setup on it, which is nuts. And yeah, Nippon Power is a spot. I'm here to grab the 45-degree angle for my intake, and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. So we're here at Nippon and they have everything you need.
57 degrees.
Yeah, it's 57 degrees out. Boost weather out here. Everything you guys need here at Nippon Power. Look what pulled up next to me. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful RX-7. I would love to own one of these one day. He has a V-mount on it. Told me he has like 94 kilometers on the chassis or something, but this shit is beautiful. Ooh, that's nice. It's the blob. So we got everything we needed. We made a new friend with the RX-7 over there. This shit's so clean, right-hand drive. We're about to see it right now. Oh, that rotary sounded amazing. I love how the turn down tip looks like on an RX-7. It's so nice. I had to stop and get a caramel frap and a chocolate croissant because I was hungry. Shout out Starbucks. So coincidentally, we're going in the same direction. I'm gonna throw his Instagram up. He's a really cool guy. You guys should check out his car. It's beautiful. I would love to own an RX-7 one day, but one day. Look at that. You see the turn down tip. Oof. Oof. Turn down tip. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. So I'm here at JNF Custom right now with the boy Fernando. So we figured out we don't need the coupling, we don't need the MAF sensor, so we're just gonna make our lives easier. Instead of making a 45-degree turn, we're just gonna make it a straight, because it's a billion times easier to make it go straight than turn 1,000 times. And yeah, that should simplify the problem and I won't have that leak anymore. So this is what we came up with. We just got a straight 3-inch piece of metal. I didn't have a coupling on me. He only had a blue one. I know it doesn't match with anything, but I'm gonna get that fixed. But at least my intake doesn't have a leak in it anymore, and it should work, and it looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I just gotta switch out that blue coupling, but it's clean. So I just did a pull in the Blabba with the new intake, and oh my god, it pulls so much harder. I didn't realize how much of a boost leak I had with that, but yeah, guys, just remind yourself to always check for leaks, because it really affects the way your car handles, and my car is running really great with this new intake. I'm gonna try and get a pull for you guys with one hand. It's kind of hard, but I'll try. What's up guys, I just got back home. So this is what the finished product is going to look like for now. So we only had this blue one. I went and bought a black one. They didn't have a red one just because I don't really like how the blue fits with my car. It doesn't really go with anything. And I'm debating on powder coating this black. I kind of like the raw look for now, but we'll see what's up. But driving the car home, it felt really good. Like I thought that leak was like very minimal, but it turns out it was really big because my car boosts way harder now. So I'm gonna swap this over, and yeah, the intake should be done. Let me know what you guys think. So I just removed the blue temporary coupler we put on at the shop, and I put the black one, and I think it looks really good. It's a really cheap way to do it yourself instead of spending like $200 on an intake. This little piece of metal you can get for like $10 and do it yourself, and then just get the coupling. So the old one used to have like a little 45-degree turn, but you don't really need that. So we just went with the straight, and it came out super clean. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you want to do it yourself, it's really easy.